I want to share a little bit about my story, what happened to me when I finished school. I went to try to do the test. The first time, I didn't study, didn't prepare myself. I just wanted to know how did it look. So it was a big mistake. I fell bad, but I say to myself, I will be able to do it next time. So on my second attempt, one of your video came to me and I bought the quick fact that I have it right here. This is my second Bible actually. I just bought this one the first time. So I study a little bit, then I decided to go for the second time on my test. It was another big mistake because I fell again. So I felt devastated. I was really sad. I was crying and I just wanted to give up. I thought that nursing was not for me. But then I was so sad. I was working as a PC in dialysis. Then one of my friends, she was studying nursing as well, and she was getting prepared for her exam. So she told me about your program, the B2. So she bought it, and then when she went for her test, she did pass. So I got a little bit excited about it, and then I decided to buy it for myself. And then when I started listening to your B2, I was putting it every single day, one lesson a day on my way to work, and then on my way back to home, I was listening to them. And when I get home, I will read my book. And then on Mondays and Wednesdays, I will go and do the studies that you do, right? So just to let you know, see, just to show you, there's some of my notes here. I used to go back to my book. I still do sometimes, even though I'm working as a nurse now. I'm still do when I'm not sure about something. I go back to my book because this book, as I say, is like my Bible. If you can see there, I have so many notes on things that I didn't know or that I wasn't much sure about it. So every time I have doubts or something, I always go back to my book. I always have it handy for me. Also, the B2 is very important because you need to have the content. The content is very important and you need to read, you need to have it. Without the content, it happens to me, you might be able to fail again. So also, I want to share that now as a nurse, my life is better. I have a better pay, and I'm so happy to say that I'm a ReMar nurse. I'm a ReMar nurse. I passed my NCLEX, and I'm so happy. Thank you again. You cannot give up. Just keep going, keep trying. Just study with ReMar. Even though I tried different ones, I tried bootcamp, I tried Mark Clinics, ReMar was the one who helped me. Thank you, Miss Regina. I really, really appreciate all you do.